Welcome to KanBo, Work Coordination Platform. Today, I will show you how to use Kanban Swimlanes. Do you know this feature? Let's go. You are already familiar with the Kanban view. It is a popular choice for many users. It displays cards grouped horizontally and allows you to manage them easily by drag and drop. While we are talking about grouping, it is worth mentioning we can add another dimension of value and get a double grouping, Kanban Swimlanes. Let's add vertical grouping by statuses. Kanban Swimlanes allows you to organize cards both horizontally and vertically at the same time, like a chessboard. For example, the green marathon card has the ideas status and the outdoor label. Okay, that was a piece of cake. Discover more KanBo features with us. See you in the next video.